Are you ready for it, Daddy?
That's
What can you say?
This is the last one?
Yeah, that's the last one. It's very special.
The last one.
Yeah.
Close your eyes first. And open your eyes, Daddy.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our game show. You stepped on my arm.
Oh.
Apple power.
What's going on, guys?
How many times you was a dad?
9.
Unknown.
How old are you?
What unknown?
There are 9 presents minus 1. It's gonna be 8 because it's not yet delivered. There will be 8 presents around the living room in boxes. And that's what you call, what do you call the boxes? Dad box.
But that box, it is a dad bug.
And you have to get it in how many minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
3, 11, 1, go.
The one?
What will happen to Daddy if he didn't get the 8 boxes?
I know what we're gonna do.
What?
Stay tuned.
That's sweet.
Yeah. It's the Amazon boxes are included, but within this area only. Okay. We're going 30 seconds. How many? Yeah.
How could you not find out?
6.
It's like right there.
6. Okay, 1 minute. Daniel, hide it good.
Keep quiet.
How many na? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
10 seconds. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Ding, 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 ding. How many na? 7. Okay, you open it first and then we'll show you the other one. It's the surprise one, okay? Okay, let's see what it
What
is.
is that? Heavy? Heavy candy. Tie back. I don't get it.
It's a tie rack.
It's a tie rack! What's your this one?
Tie rack. It's a tie rack. Tie.
It's for my necktie.
That's one?
The smallest? The small one, yeah.
Okay, what's the next one? By the way, all of this can be bought at Amazon.
It's
It's a
a
flashlight.
radio flashlight.
I believe we have this one. Like,
It's solar panel. You can charge it like that.
wait
Wait a minute.
It's the next.
So that's only energy.
How does it work? Next one. You just.
You can charge it like.
Yeah, when we're in camping and there's no energy and stuff.
that's radio.
To a bug, and a bug more like a jug. Jigglemand, jigglemand, jigglemand.
See?
I was like,
Sounds. Next one.
Next one.
Next one. The lightest. And whenever you want to get it.
I want to open it.
Right now,
Okay, help it.
Right here, which spot?
Nice music.
Yeah.
Is that China? The China thing.
Oh no!
Careful.
No, wait, can I destroy it again?
What the?
What is that?
Actually,
Also,
the one that Daniel just wrecked.
oh.
A shooting box.
For your shoes. Again, I'll show it. Your shoes.
More shoebox. So Daniel doesn't destroy it again.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Next box. Probably another one.
Next. Get them out. It's my shoes. It's Jordan.
Daddy, Mommy, could I charge while playing music?
Huh? Yeah.
It's full of.
You don't even know how to do it. You might break it. This is how you do it.
How's it?
How much is $1?
Do you like that gadget? Amazon.
It's like when you
Amazon Prime.
instead of like being lazy and charging it, do some work.
Yeah, and then you're eating energy.
Says sold a set. Do not open.
What is this? A building? ASMR.
City girls.
This ASMR.
Just need to get some of this off my chest. Can I just talk about some of these issues that I'm struggling with?
I know how to.
We're supposed to hide from that for some reason.
I know what that's supposed to do. These things will like change the channel.
Shoebox.
Give it to Daddy.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Kuya, what does he say?
Brings me some beer.
Bring me some beer. Come on, get me some beer.
Alright, we're gonna charge this thing. This is the last one.
Yeah, no, there's a surprise one. One
Destroy
more.
the box. We're gonna need it. Oh, I knew this.
Daddy!
I knew this.
There's also like, Mommy, look.
This is like.
Show it to Daddy.
Daddy, look. Destroy this.
Whoa.
Unboxing.
Oh! Holy wrench! Now you got a building set up.
Got this.
What's that?
This is not. I guess.
So whenever a bike is destroyed, you fix it.
And also, all these items are available on the link below.
So whenever you like, there's a monster right there, but I don't want to look. Now it's look.
It's the most important.
Alright, it's fine.
Go change the channel.
Okay, don't change the channel. That's good.
Music.
Okay. How many did Daddy get? 7? Okay, the final one. Daniel. Slowly, Daddy, when you open this, ha?
Yeah.
This is very delicate. This is the most important thing.
Careful.
This will... Are you ready for it, Daddy?
It's the last one.
Yeah, that's the last one. It's very special. Close your eyes first. And open your eyes, Daddy. What is that? It's for you, Daddy. Good thing it's dry.
What's that, chocolates?
No.
Oh, yung mga tamaan yung...
Goodbye for our next channel. Click the here for our next. Bye. Whatever happens. See you Next time.
Dati ba sabi, whatever happens, just deal with it and have a fun day.
What is it again?
What,
What is it again?
whatever happens, just deal with it.
Just do that and have a fun day. Yay! Happy Father's Day.
This is weird. Why did they put this without any inserts?